Hello and welcome to another quick training tutorial. In this training tutorial, I'll show you the different ways that you could reach out or contact our support team directly in the software. First, from the dashboard, we already have quick links that could assist you. We have the daily live training that you could join in. This is happening every Monday until Friday at 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Eastern Time. It is a session where everybody who needs help could join in, and our support specialist will be conducting this 1-hour session to help you and guide you along into using the software. We also do have the personal walkthrough. The personal walkthrough is a one-on-one session that you could schedule at your most convenient time. It is a one-on-one session with our support specialist, wherein our support specialist can walk you through or guide you how to maximize using the software. You can also schedule this personal walkthrough if you need any assistance or if you're having any troubles using the software. We also have the real-time chat support assistance. The real-time chat support assistance is available in each of the screens in the software. Meaning to say, as you move along on working inside the software, you could actually reach out to any of our real-time chat specialists and have them guide you through if you needed assistance. All you have to do is input your name and email and type in your message and start chatting with our real-time support assistants. What are other ways that you could reach out to the support team? Just go click on Training and Help and go to the Help section. From here, you could always watch this quick help training video to know more about different ways to reach out to our support team. And at the very top, you could again schedule a 30-minute software walkthrough, which is also called or known as the personal walkthrough. It is a one-on-one session with our support specialist that could assist you in knowing more about how you could maximize different features in the software. And if ever you got stuck or lost into navigation, you could always schedule one. Next is we do have the support tickets. You can always enter your questions or suggestions or any issues that you are encountering into this big text box. And if you need to attach any files such as maybe screenshots of what you are experiencing or where you got stuck, you can always attach those files. And once you're done inputting any questions or suggestions and adding any documents or files that would help us better understand the concerns you're having, you could quickly submit that to us. Just please do take note that the files that you could attach is a .doc, .pdf, a JPEG, or a PNG file. Now, it is important that if you are encountering any issues, please do provide us a detailed description of what you are experiencing. It would be best to type in that detailed description into this text box and attach some screenshots that would help us better understand the concerns you are experiencing. In addition, please also do include your login credentials so that we could do a deeper investigation. You may type in your login credentials from the text box right here and just hit submit once you have your detailed explanation done. Please do allow us 24 hours in order for us to get back to you, as this information you are submitting would come through as a support ticket. Next is we have the real-time phone support assistance. You may call us at 941-217-8307. It is available from Monday to Sunday, 7 days a week, from 8 a.m. up until 12 midnight Eastern Time. Our business hours is Monday to Sunday from 8 a.m. to 12 midnight Eastern Time. During this period of time, our real-time phone support assistance is available, and you could also feel free to schedule your 30-minute software or personal walkthrough session with us during this span of time. And you can always chat with our real-time support specialist within the business hours as well. And don't forget that we have the Get Started or the Quick Tour training videos and the daily live training that's also accessible within the Help screen in order for you to get additional training on how you could maximize the software. And that would complete our quick training tutorial on how you can reach out to our support team.